Hello guys, welcome at my YouTube channel. In this video I want to show you how to do a reset for your WordPress website in a very easy and quickly way, okay? But before we start, I need that you leave a like on this video and you join our channel, okay? So I am sure you will do it because my channel is new and I know that you know that I need your help. So we can start, guys. First of all, you need to log in at your WordPress website, okay? And then after that you go inside, okay? And then you go to plugin, add new plugin. Before the reset we need to do another reset, the database reset, okay? So you type WP reset and then you install WP database reset. It is a very easy and quickly operation to do. So we did it, and then we go on WP database reset and we do reset database. We select all tables and then we enter the security code, which in my case is B389E, but he will give you the code anytime is a new one. And we reset the database, okay? So this is how it look our website now, okay? But after that it will be all white. So we go at WP reset now. Oh, we need to log in again because we reset the database. WP reset and we do the tools and we reset. We need to delete anything, so delete all themes, delete plugins, delete local data, delete all files and folders. And now our website is completely white, so it's like a brand new space that you can use for build a new website for you, okay? It's very easy, and you can choose also if you want delete something, only the plugin or the themes or local data, you see, or just the cake. Is there are a lot of options, so but the complete reset is this one. So thank you for watching my video, and now again please leave a like and join our channel. Thank you.